Is Asha Moronya. I work at Kisii and the Level Trust Initiative as the programs coordinator. Today we were here to hold our annual General Assembly meeting, whose objective was basically to share our progress and some of the successes that we've achieved for the last 1 year, that is the year 2023. We had all our ward representatives, who are 90 in number, the members of the Board of Trustees, who are 6, and also the founding members. We shared our objectives, and we have a new program that is just coming, and we are already implementing some of the activities. The program is dubbed as USAID Ubora Mashinani because it is funded by USAID, and it is supposed to run for the next 5 years to end in the year 2028.
I'm the programs coordinator at Kiambu Pamoja Trust, a similar organization to KETI, which is the local development organization in Kiambu. We are also undertaking the same USAID Ubora Mashinani program. And one of the reasons as why we visited Kisii today was to attend the AGM and learn from them on how they had planned the AGM, the community engagement, the representation, how did they come about in terms of, in here they have over 1,000 member organizations. But all those groups are well represented in the AGM. So you needed to learn on how they organized it, so that even as we also in the process of planning one for Kiambu, so that we are also able to do ours, maybe even better than them. So we are basically here under that collaborative running and adaptation.
Ms. Dr. John Nyambega. I'm the chairman of KETI, Kisii and the Level Trust Initiative. And today we have had a very successful day where we met our leaders from all the wards, the 45 wards, 2 members representing each ward. So we're a total of 90, plus officials from USAID and officials of the county government and other invited guests. I'm grateful that our members have made big progress in financial inclusion, in productivity. What they're making there, now we should industrialize and put our products even in the shops to go to the market fully. I know we have a challenge that we have not gotten approval, especially from the Kenya Bureau of Standards, for some of our products like banana products, which we have already applied to get that license as a way of supporting our members on what they are doing. This is a new model of bringing development in the region, in that previously the government was sending money, or the donors were sending money to the government, central government. Then the government will trickle down to reach the people. But now there is a change that the donors send the money to the county. And when they send the money to the county, they send it to us, like KETI, the group coordinating that event. So we are the ones holding the funds. We share with the county government and go down and deal with our people and support them in matters of development.
The objective of the program being to empower our communities when it comes to matters advocacy and citizen voice in our communities. Also to build the capacity of our member organizations. As KETI, we have 1,773 member organizations, and we look forward to improving their capacity when it comes to generally issues of governance within their organizations, project implementation, among others. And we also have our issues around collaborative learning and adaptation, which is geared towards sustainable development within our county. And finally, there are issues of collaboration and participation actually in the county and national policy framework. So we were happy that the meeting was successful, and we were able to map out a number of achievements, including collaboration with other partners. For example, we had partners from Kiambu. We also have other USAID implementing partners who are running a number of projects within the county, with whom we have a working formula that is geared towards improving issues of sustainability within the county of Kisii.
We loved the way the meeting was organized, the way the representatives were engaged, the discussions they were doing, very objective discussions are going on, very great input from the members, and very great collaboration and coordination between the Board of Trustees, the Secretariat, the members, and even the founders. So And we came from Kiambu. We were a team of 5, 2 members of the Secretariat, 1 member from the Board of Trustees, and 2 members from the founding organizations.
That we're going to bring our teams up, retrain them, look for sponsors, and put up on many things. I would have listed many things that we are doing out in the community, major projects in water, major projects in building markets, major projects in environmental conservation, and we are moving even for children. We are doing a number of big projects outside there. Previously, they were funded directly, but now they are funded through us as an organization. So we are the board oversighting that process, and we have officers who are here at Kahawa House, the coffee house there. We have our officers. You can visit anytime and get more details on what we are doing. This program has covered 11 wards, counties to start with. I know it's going to be scaled to almost 25 also, and from there on, they move forward. But we are among the initial sections that have taken up, counties that have taken up this responsibility. That's where we have now Kiambu County coming to benchmark with us because of the things that we have done. Now we are not political. We are a social transformation group, and we are moving quietly and making an impact in our people.
Our members are doing a number of activities ranging from agricultural activities. There are those that are doing advocacy on matters, let's say gender-based violence. There are issues of FGM. There are other cross-cutting issues within gender and social inclusion that we are particularly focused on as KETI. There are also those that are doing economic activities that are aimed at improving their livelihoods as groups.
Today we created a committee we call Oversight. Anytime you have money, you have leadership issues, you need an independent group that goes to verify that these things are actually happening. So this oversight group is going to see, is the Secretariat working well? Is the board fulfilling their mandates? Is the money given out to the people working? Are the people who have been trained, who are funded, are they making an impact in the society? So apart from what the executive can report, this group will do like an internal audit for us to come and report that the things are happening. And that's why we tabled our financial report openly to everyone and say this is